This is Benjy Russell's amazing work. This is his wildflower garden. That's going to be even more extraordinary next year because there's seeds in there that have not even expressed themselves yet. Here are these very large photographs that Benjy has printed on these long canvases, and they are available to view here in Dowelltown, Tennessee. And inside of the perimeter of these amazing canvases is wildflowers. And most of the paintings are inspired by these wildflowers. There's also in here some pretty cool sculptures that also reflect the beauty of the natural scene.
And it almost kind of reflects off